Alright guys, it's been 3 years and 10 months since I have ridden the plane train at the world's busiest Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport in Atlanta, Georgia. Our next train is in 18 seconds. We're going to be taking the plane train from Concourse B to Concourse D. You can see a lot of lights are burnt out in the tunnel. You can see the signs, like I said, are bigger at D. The signs are even bigger here than at Denver Airport. Here comes the train. Exact same models, except they have a different sounding motor. We get car number 38, and they have more cars at Atlanta. So here we go. Let these guys get off first.
C as in Charlie.
Pardon me. Here we go.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for Seagates. C as in Charlie.
At this rate, and this wash your hands with soap and water. Please avoid touching your face and cover your mouth and seat. Use hand sanitizer and washing towel daily. Remember to Iowa State and smart always get.
This train is stopping. Please select your belongings and one more step as you exit.
You can see the signs are lime green. Sure you're at C.
The next stop is for D-Gates. D as in David. Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for D-Gates. D as in David.
You need it. ATS got it.
It's really dark in here.
We have something for you. This experience a shop at Dining Store. And we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Atlanta.
I don't know what those red arrows mean, but if anybody knows, let me know in the comments. And this is where we're going to be getting off.
This train is stopping. Please select your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
It's crazy how there's more concourses than at Denver. You can see Concourse E up ahead. And that's it. Thanks for watching.